Hello everyone, welcome back to the Maxtang channel. Today we are reviewing a tiny, silent, and powerful mini PC that might just blow you away. Let's see what comes in the box. So inside you'll find the NX-N100 mini PC from Maxtang, a power adapter, and a cable for this. Also an HDMI cable, screws for the wall mount bracket, and the user manual. Everything you need to get started, nice and simple. The NX-N100 is compact and minimal. It literally fits the palm of my hand. It looks sleek, has a full metal body, and feels solid in the hand. Let's go over the ports. On the front, we've got two USB 3.2 ports, one USB-C, one audio port, and the power button. On the back, there are two LAN ports. It's supporting 2.5 gigabits Ethernet, one USB 3.2, one USB 2.0, two HDMI 2.0 ports, one DC in, and two antenna connectors. On the left side, you'll find another antenna port and a SIM card slot. So basically, on the website, you can see there we offer a wide range of I/O options, including optional SIM and COM ports, depending on your needs. Now, let's talk about specs. This unit is powered by the Intel N100, a quad-core low-power processor based on Intel's Alder Lake N architecture. It can boost up to 3.4 GHz for responsive performance. With integrated Intel UHD graphics, it handles smooth video playback and light graphical tasks with ease. You can get support for up to 32 GB of DDR4 memory, perfect for multitasking. For storage, it includes both M.2 and FPC SATA interfaces. This gives you plenty of flexibility to expand. And connectivity is no problem, with support for M.2 Wi-Fi, PCIe, USB, and CMVI. Plus, it is compatible with both Windows and Linux 64-bit systems, ready for almost any setup. Let's power it up. Boot time is quick and it comes preloaded with Windows 11. Everything looks clean, fast, and responsive. Right now, I've installed a few apps ready. Let's try them out. As you can see, Chrome launches instantly, and Office apps, they run smoothly, no problem. And even the YouTube video playback is super smooth. And I think the best part is it runs completely silent. No fans, no noise. So, if you want to learn more about our product or place an order, head over to our official website www.maxtangpc.com or check the link in the description below. If you are looking for a power-efficient, fanless, ultra-compact mini PC for work, media, or lab daily use, the Maxtang NX-N100 is great value pick. Small in size, big on potential. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let us know what you think about NX-N100 or what you want us to review for next time. See you soon!